Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to use ATM to withdraw funds from Tangerine. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so first of all, I'm just going to open my internet browser on my iPhone, and then I'm on the official website, and according to them, you can withdraw your money for free nationwide at over 3,500 ABMs on the Scotia Bank ABM network, including those at 7-Eleven, Quickie Convenience Stores, Simplex Theaters, and Couche-Tard. So you can find the ABM closest to you by using the ABM locator or downloading the Tangerine mobile banking app to your smartphone. So you can just go to your iOS App Store or Google Play Store and download their app and locate the ABM or ATM closest to you and withdraw your money. So this is how you do it, guys. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.